Welcome to Pass and Move special. This is Dep 3 TV, proudly brought to you by Dep 3 Studio, Dep 3 Events, and Dep 3 Media. Today we are celebrating the champions of the Bulawayo Southern Region Division 1 Soccer League. Bulawayo Chiefs, they are back in the big boys, they are back in the Premier League. Is the home of the champions. As you can see behind me is the banner of Bulawayo Chiefs. We are celebrating the champions today. We'll be speaking to a very few fans, the followers of Bulawayo Chiefs, the lovers of the beautiful game. We'll be chatting about the journey of Bulawayo Chiefs in the Division 1 Soccer League. Please come to join us as we take this journey with the fans and celebrate Bulawayo Chiefs today. Njengoba bengijile ukuthi ngizabe ngikhuluma lamasapoti amakhulu eBulawayo Chiefs, abantu kade behamba leBulawayo Chiefs, ama-away bekhona, home away, beyilandela i-team isiku-Premier League. Lapha ndo Savereza.
Hayi hayi
Eh,
lokhuzi let's start again nje.
eh.
Mina ngikubuze kuhle ukuthi kahle kahle wena ufuna ukwazini nge-Chiefs kumbe uthini lapho esingakhuluma ngakho kuhle kuhle.
I-team
Into ze-Chiefs eziningi zinjani siyazazi, sizazi into eziningi ze-Chiefs. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi kahle kahle wena ufuna ukwazini.
i-Chiefs singama-champion, siyacelebrate. Sikhuluma ukuthi
Okay.
i-Chiefs singama-champion, siyacelebrate. Wena i-team kodwa uyazi uhamba layo home away, akunanto esiyiqalisa la, siyarola.
I-team mina vele ngiqalisa ukuyilandela since 2012. Says breakaway from Khandeni Pirates. So ngiyasithokozisa ukuthi sesibuyelile ku-Premier since abanye abantu base besibona njengezehluleki. This time around sizazama ukuthi sibuye sihlale ku-Premier singabi izivakashi la ku-Premier because u-D1 hayi kunzima okobhuqu lo kana sakubona efela boost asifuni ukuthi sibuyele ePlumtree abona iground igejwa ngekhuba before igame. Imagine uzomele uhambe 9 hours usiye follows uyalanda i-draw. So hayi khathesi I think sibili have to build isquad esizahlala sibili ku-Premier.
Laba-ke esibabukeleyo khathesi asebeke baba ngama-champions, abonani i-team le bengayigcina nje ku-Premier ingasurvive.
Lapha kule few position kuphela okuyamele kungathi kuyaqondiswa khona but the rest ayikhalibha yangikhona i-right.
Bishop, njengoba namhla sicelebrate, kutshoni lokhu kuwe?
Kuyinjabulo cause thina at least lathi sesithola into ezasijabulisa cause we've been missing out a lot. At least anto yabona le team yangikhona ukuthi sesithethe asikaluzi ithemba vele lokho esafuna ukuchaya ezinengi. Okungabe kuthiwa zange zaba nama-problems besifuna ukuchaya yani i-record efana le-Arsenal yokungadliwa total. Manje yeyi hayi into zangikwazi asikwazi abaphezu kwethu wabhuqa phela lunzima kujayelekanga.
Exactly. Hayi, as long as i-team isiphendukile sijabula konke kumnandi. Kakhulu. Sharp my guy. Saro,
Unjani?
amna in French programs keeper.
Mina ngimnandi.
Namhla siyacelebrate, i-Chiefs is back in the PSL. Sibonile beqeda ukuchaya igobhora lapha, ngibona uyeqa kakhulu. Kutshoni lokhu kuwe?
Ukuthi uthando olukhulu ethimini, injabulo enkulu ethimini, yazi lokhu khuluma ngibona ngani ngizehluleka ngoba ngijabule kakhulu into engiyenzelwe i-team isizini le engichazile. Asihlala ngesikhathi ku-D1 sesibuyelele ku-PSL, into ade sivele siyimelele. Iyo injongo vele ade silayo. Ngithanda ukubongela futhi ngapha kithi kuma-supporters, siyenze kuhle, sabambana kuhle, asanga sachithekana, sasabuyela sonke ku-PSL.
Yes, into ede ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi lina i-team belihamba layo ingazi ebhuqwini, eFelabusi, ePlumtree, eFolozi, belilayo sonke isikhathi liyi-support. So bengifuna ukubuza khona ukuthi bekunjani especially kuma-away games because abantu abaningi ngase batshela ukuthi u-D1 beyahanjwa babe bengazwisisi.
Khona bekunzima kakhulu kuma-away games, indlela ze-transport and stuff but simanejile ukuthi njengama-supporters sibe organized, kumele into ethe one silandele iqembu ngothando esilalo ethimini yethu.
Namhlanje ibhendi ayibona awufa?
Hayi, ibhendi sithe yikime sikhona thina abanikazi be-team. Sikhona thina ithi ibhendi yangikhona namuhla. Ibhendi yangikhona namuhla.
Otherwise Saro, uyahappy team back in the PSL, siyajabula ilanga lokucelebrate namuhla.
Kakhulu lathi siyabonga kakhulu, ngithanda ukubonga la kuwe mfowethu, ngibonga yona iBulawayo Chiefs, ama-supporters bonke ade belandela i-team. sesibuyelele ku-PSL. One love, one
One
drive.
love. Nice one, my brother.
Sharp, sharp.
Sawandi?
Wafabutas.
Mina ngigreen program. Namhlanje ilanga elimnandi. Uyabona la ukuthi ugcwele njani eChiefs.
Sizoqedela umdlalo.
Celebrate. Ngifuna ukutshela abantu ababukeli. Azi ngihlala ngitshela abantu ukuthi iChiefs ilabalandeli aba-serious. Isizini le ibinde. Sesifika lapha namhlanje. Waya. So so ngifuna ukukhuluma nabantu. Batshele ngohambo lwebulawayo Chiefs ku-Division 1 sizifika namhlanje sizibuyela ku-Premier League.
Hayi uhambo kade lunzima. But sizamile. But lani yakwazi ukuthi iBulawayo Chiefs team enkulu. Nesithe sebese ku-Premier. Sasiwachaya ama-team amakhulu.
So phansi lapha ku-1 bekunjani?
Hayi kunzima nxa si-away because away amboni sawina in a game away. Sasidraw away but home asidluzanga home. Sisebenze nzima sibili. Team silandeleke kakhulu. Asikaphili kuyilandela. Sokhona silandela futhi.
Hayi siyabonga Sawandile. Namhlanje i-team iphiwa ama-medal. Big celebration. Wena ukhangeleleni sesiya ku-Premier League ngabafana laba base-team le kufuna bebagcine benje amanye ama-position lapho ubona khona ukuthi maybe incebe nga-eda lapha nala ngoba ku-Premier yakwazi phela kwakudlala.
Ama-players kumele siwagcine but kumele singezelele kakhulu especially ku-midfield. Siyashota umidfield. La ku-strike force kumele sithophele imijabo. Defense right. Kumele ashintshe kakhulu.
Kumidi ukhala ngani kakhulu. Ikawula creativity or
Ayikhona i-creativity but i-depth.
Idepth
Kumele ama-sapa good angekho kuyafika ku-Premier ngani.
akudlala. Nice one Sawandile.
Ngezi isikwazi esiqinile.
Nice one my brother. Thank you very much. Sharp my brother. Sharp. My brothers keep on.
Sharp, Steve.
Mnandi. Namhlanje it's a big day. iBulawayo Chiefs yaphiwa ama-medal le trophy. Sikhuluma nje ngohambo lwabo ku-Division 1. Le team yabo ukuthi ingabe isikhulu ngana lokho esibona lokho iwatcha ama-team. Wena ngokubona kwakho Division 1 indlela abadlale ngayo up to today sisikhalela phambili siya ku-Premier League. Uyibona njani i-team yabo le?
I think i-team ibe right ngokuthi bathi besiqala i-D1 vele they babasayina ngakhona ama-players ale-experience. You could tell ukuthi abantu laba ba-accidentally ku-D1 bafuna ukuphendula. So hayi i-quality bala experience basebenzile.
So vele bekuliqiniso ukuthi accidentally in Division 1.
Ngokwenza kwabo phela bekuliqiniso sibili but besaya ku-Premier so kumele bezama ukuboost i-squad so that behlale bekhona bengabi lokho besenza ama-accidentally.
Ngesquad sabo nxa usikhangela isquad sabo, do you think isquad lesi bengasigcina sinje? Will they survive i-Premier League?
Hayi bengashiya sinje ngeke seva because singakhuluma ngabo mangikweze le example kulabo Madzongo kanti ama-players are-experienced but ngetempo ye-Premier League angeke idlala amagame wonke. And nxa sithi ukudlala sikhuluma amagame wokuwina amagame and stuff. Yabo so uyabufuna ungabafana kokhuyana ngothanya nxa Madzongo lasedini abafana abancane benjani bedlale behambe futhi ku-Premier League bedobha amanye futhi ama-experience benjani kuze behlale bekhona. Uyabona than ukuthi bebuye bephinde bephenduke futhi kuyabulala thina singababulawayo.
Yes, ngiyakuzwisisa khona but namhlanje sokulilanga elikhulu sebezothatha imendulo le trophy. Kutshoni as football fans?
It's good because ngathi ngikhangela like ama-team aku-D1 especially esayidini yethu engaka ama-team organized ukuthi angamela i-Premier kule wange kule Chiefs. Yabona inkayi idlale kuhle but yabalekela ukuthi sibe lenkayi iKwekwe United version ngapho side ezabe izodonate amhlophe. Yabona akho right. Not ukuthi but abala bana bekhala ngezimali zabo ukuthi abala ngabe bele management right ngabe simothi batshene nge1 point le Chiefs igame idecide namuhla. Yabona but bafele ngaphakathi kwendlela utshengisela ukuthi abantu bengasupportwa indlela right. Yabona
le order eBulawayo Chiefs ukade esikhulu indaba eqhaqhathekileyo ukhuluma ngezimali. I-Chiefs asayisizwe bekhala imali what i-order nje vele beku-Division 1 abantu bebekhala ukuthi i-order le yaso-Division 1.
That's the thing kwesikhuluma let's hope besiya ku-Premier League baza continue standards zabo because Premier League kwaba ngani kulezi kuthiwa i-Chiefs bastrikeile what but bengakhona bengene benje so I think babe right.
Then kule enye into ebese ngikhoda ukukhuluma ngayo kulama half time shows awude esenzakala bese ngaboni even ku-Premier League. wena ubona njani entertainment lana because abantu bagcwele njani. I think ngokunye okuletha ama-fans abemaningi ama-half time shows uthola labo iyasa namhla I think kule iyasa.
Yabona okunye bhudanti i-administration iqakathekile e-good. For example, anti yabona kasi kathiwa i-VHF Village is for free what. Wonke umuntu uyabuya ezobukela ibhora and stuff. Kulabo iyasa uyakwazi la uzobona ama-arts and everything into eyi-one kuyawoswa kule bar kulani all in one. Yabona i-administration e-right ukuthi ngabe silivini kulani i-team endala. Honestly speaking, qinisile. Khathesi maybe hayi ade ngeke of course we need those kind of things because ibhora vele liqala off the ground.
Yes.
Phandle kwebhora yikho kuqala khona ibhora. Yabona ukuthi ngale BF kuthiwa kulani ama-curtain raisers uyifica amabhoyi ukuthi ufika kucela nama-line egedini so nama-congestion. Why? Because abantu angeke uhambe ngo-1 wena usiyakwenzani. But uma kule Boso 90 ngo-1 ufike uyabukela iBoso 90 ngembona ukuhamba njani uqala ukwazi abafana from phansi usiya kuBoso 90
into abayenza izolo
njengakhokhana kwayizolo for example kwenziwe maybe twice season yonke
which is bad.
Uyabona but let's hope elisinxa songene yangapha sokungcono kenini la sabe silayo yalenda yabo ikhona siwayo safe.
Nice one my brother. Let's hope ukuthi Chiefs iza maintain.
Let's hope iza maintain benika abafana imali zabo.
Sharp. How far my guy?
Afa usharp iswi?
I'm not sharp bro. I'm skipping.
Sharp skibana.
So upambanisa labana ngibona sekudonsa bomama.
Men of honor. Men of honor.
Alright, namhla siya celebrate iBulawayo Chiefs is coming back to iPSL. Sizobona bephakamisa i-trophy. Wena nje supporter iBulawayo Chiefs elikhulu. Kuthoni lokho?
Kuthi impumelelo enkulu le. Impumelelo enkulu sibila siyepha antu yabona. Shayile izikipa namakepesi nama-ticket antu yabo. Ile 8
nawana ama-ticket.
Ngayifudazi. Ngayifudazi ama-ticket.
So isupporter elikhulu.
Isupporter elikhulu. Ikome ngipe 8 phela ama-ticket.
Yes.
Ujama champions. Swathenga i-points.
Hayi ama-points maningi kakhulu.
Maningi.
Namhla iyawina ayivuzisi ibulala i-television.
Yazigomela indlela enethini. Asila ndabalani. But thina sithi asila ndaba lama-points thina sesiphakathi.
Freshest.
Thina sesiphakathi phela ama-points asela ndaba lawa. Khona phana sizinga Premier League.
Tshela mina iJeni i-team eku-Division 1 ibinjani kuwe as-FM?
Kimi as-FM hayi khona beku-right we moving nice. Inkinga abafana bebekhala ngani ama-ground kuphela but okunye abafana bebezitshayela igame lawo ububona lawo amawini lawana phela azomawini okuthenga lawana ama-fair win lawana
hayi okuthenga lana kuyaziwa abaphezulu
ama-fair win lawana phela lathi into yabona yathi support besiphusha phela every game kezimine ngaphi besinjani besiyinathi but asiyephi
yikho i-management le-admin Chiefs ili-celebrate lana ama-support khathesi ukhuluma ngezikipa
basibizile mahara
ukhuluma ngamatiketi ezikafu i-shows i-appreciation
basi-appreciate osho ngilaba khona okwamanga khaya sigqokile mahara amphathelanga lutho wona skipa kepesi konke free yabo basi-appreciate osho ngilaba hayi one team esupportekayo eBulawayo eZimbabwe ekhona eBulawayo.
Okokugcina ngingakakuyekeli uyizinto zakho i-team ekhona le eBulawayo Chiefs nxa uyikhangela sisiya ku-Premier League ubonani iza maintaina yini ayisabuyeli ku-Division 1 kumbe kukhona lapho ubona khona ukuthi hayi bengatshintsha lapha la
kuwila mboni kuyela but awutshintsha obvious anti yazi wonke ama-team vele mayengena ku-Premier League kanjani abooster mbijana but hayi le team so far ngiyibone right
ukuthi ngamiramira kuwanxa bengatshintshanga lutho
wayilinda labona sebachayela bana akula bantu phela lapha bona babona yini abantu
mina ngithanda ibhora mina nisapota lebhora
wena so support ama-team
mina nisapota ibhora jikelele
yenza ama-support ama-team but kumiramira
namuhla ugqokise Chiefs i-celebration
champions angeke ligqoka ama-champions njalo
but yawazi mina sisonke ku-Chiefs
sisonke hayi one love
Sharp. Noma
Hi.
Zithini
Skipana.
ngiyakhumbula sasesitudiyo nje hayi team ngayehla nayo but iyaphendula namhla sesicelebrate i-team isiphendukile
Hayi siphendukile antsho ngakutshela vele ukuthi ngayehla kuphela iyaphenduka nanka amazwi engakhuluma sesiphendukile.
Kuyajabulisa ukubona abantu abaningi kangaka bezo celebrate ukuphenduka kweBulawayo Chiefs. Ijeni ka-Division 1 yawazi ukuthi ibinzima zibili wena kuwe nje isupport elikhulu ibisithini
Well, I don't wanna lie. Engunanzeleleyo ukuthi Division 1 is much more complicated than the Premier League. It was very hard, I don't wanna lie. Like the first few games labona sasi-draw, especially ma-away games zethu, mostly sasithola ama-draws, then sasithola ama-wins kuma-home game. But I think ku-second leg we did much better. We did much better, like win after win, win after win. I'm very happy about that.
bese ukujayela udivision 1 or
Angeke ngithi bese kuyikujayela i-Division 1. Mina in my own view, abafana they really improved. Ba-improvile from i-first leg and second leg, they really improved. From khangela ukudlala kwabo ku-first leg la khathesi, no, they really improved. They really improved.
bona uthola izikipa ziyahamba
Yes, ziyahamba. Akulo ngafuna ukugqoka iskipa sama-champions. Njengoba ubona nje sonke esikhonapho sigqoke zona, hayi ziyahamba. Abantu bebuye bezozithenga bedinge mina kumbe ubuhle ngale.
mana ngizobuhle ubuhle bengane yakhala buhle wena uthengile
Hayi mina ngisithengile sami. Yo ngake ngiyekele shem.
ngiyasola uthengile ubuhle buhle
Hayi kusola.
buhle namhla wa celebrating the team is back in the PSL kutshoni kuwe as a fan of iBulawayo Chiefs
Yo hayi mina ngi-happy. Like ngi-happy. Yabona like ukukhala esakwenza siphuma like last season kwakubuhlungu.
Yes.
Kwakubuhlungu but I'm super happy like. Yeah.
then last sendichiya bosisa bahle i-team uyayibona namhlanje yawina isharp sisiya ku-Premier League i-team le sichiye inje or kule ndawo lapho elibona nto khona singaboosta lapho kufuna khona ukuthi sibooste mana niqase noma
Well, mina kimi ngiyibona i-right, but ukuthi siyabe singakwazi ukuthi yena ucoach ucabangani. But I love our first 11. They are doing a very good job. Asisoli lutho sibili. Singazi ukuthi kungatshintsha sesiku-Premier League, but I'm happy about our players. Our players, they are very good. They are dedicated. Everything is on point.
buhle
Lama I think ama-players ethu right.
ukuthi ku-Premier League angeke belikhalise ngendlela yakhala ngayo
Asisabi. Just back with the brand, you know. Yeah, maybe we might need few players. Kulama players ethu akudala esiwakhumbulayo kaya esisho ukuthi engaphenduka back as ama-ninja, but I think only time will tell. But for now, right.
hayi siyabonga liyazwela uma-support abakhulu eBulawayo Chiefs fans are happy i-team is back in the PSL sesimele ukuthi nje sibona abafana bephakamisa ikhaphu begqokiswa nje ama-medal ngiyabonga bosisa bahle
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
is she subscribe to the channel
I think so. Are you?
siyabonga kakhulu hello chichi
Hayi linjani?
ngiyaphila mina sikhipha
Ngiyazikhipha.
asikhiphi hey namhla siyacelebrate nje
Yikho kungakhiphi kwangikhona yabona namhla siyacelebrate sawina kudala siyephi kakhulu ukudlulisa. Siyephi kakhulu ukudlulisa and yabona angikwazi ukuthi ngathini.
yikho lokana ukuthi ngesikhiya wathi you are lost of words or loss of words
Yes please. Yikho kanye. Yes sithabile lokhana okudlulisileyo. Like kuthi ngasiyaphapha ngawe yabona ngasiyaphapha ngoba yabona
chichi
yebo
i-team was relegated to Division 1 ngangubona i-team ku-Premier League bengubona i-team siku-Division 1 uyilandela e-White City ihamba esikhathini esiningi ubujalo lobukhona lapho kule bhendi khona namhla ukhiphe lapha ukuthi ibhendi namhla yikho ngifuna ukuthi ngizwe kuwe ukuthi from i-team ibisiba ku-Division 1 bekusitshoni ukuthi i-team idlala e-Division 1 idlala ebhoqweni njenge-support elikhulu le-Chiefs
sukwabona amancawa yabo ngumama umntwana noma engazenza into enjani yabo kumele usupport ngithi yayisisemeza i-Chiefs kimi i-Chiefs yabona ngaintroduce ngabanye abantu and ngayithanda
ubani ubaqamba
ngaintroduce nguHadi lo game yabona ngisasebenza ngale base sithi asambe ebhore ngapha ngokuthi ibhora like hayibo ngabe ngihamba ide ngihamba khona yo ngabona ngabe ngichaza cause ngahlangana labantu abahappy ezabantu abakufaka ama-smile so kathi simanxa ibhora likhona vele ngiyabe ngafuna ukushoda mhlawumbe kusithi ngihlale ngibe khona ngakutshela kwamba mente mbhekiwe wenza ngathi hayi ngitsho ngiyahamba noma kunjalo cause namhla siya-celebrate yabo and sesingena ku-Premier
back to
sesingenile
how was that training ku-Division 1
ibingani inzima but yabona I'm sure ngespirit sethu ngokuhamba kwethu ngokukholwa kwethu ayo abafana bebesichaza
kakhulu
abafana bebesichaza mfuthu tshela manga singaba maybe beluze but yabona sibatshele sihleke ukuthi hayi but guys lapha kodwa next time yabo and for sure next time yabona kwahle kwaba next time manje ngathi sesingenile
right
yonke into
khonapho sesikhalele ukuthi sesibuyela ku-Premier League. I-team ubona ngani ingamira ku-Premier ayisoze iphenduke nxa bengayigcina inje or kule ndawo lapho uthi but nxa singathola uzibani
Hayi mina ngokubona kwamambonto athi singangena ku-Premier sayaphenduka ku-D1. Hayi angeke. Yabona manje sesihamba phambili.
Yes.
Ya kathi sesiyochisa siyabe sikhonale phambili. Zama-relegations lezi siyabe sisizwela kwabanye abantu thina sisayi lapho.
I-team le right.
Hayi i-team le right le. Si-right yonke into ku-right. Akula lapho kulekha khona ucoach wethu right, ama-players ethu right, yonke into right. Ama-fans angoloni. Si-happy.
Uthoni kulaba abangazi lutho nge-Chiefs abangabe besibukele.
Guys ngithi mina manxa lingaka-support i-Chiefs lisalele. Buyanini si-support i-Chiefs. Is the only team edlala kuhle koBulawayo. Hayi akwenze support i-Chiefs.
Thank you very much. Sharp. Machensi sithini?
Kula lutho lapho kuhambani member.
Mna maybe my bro.
Sikuda senzakala.
Machensi, today is a celebrator.
Yeah man.
Team is back in the PSN. Sizobona i-team iphakamisa i-cup. But how was the journey ku Division 1? I know as a fan, basically iBulawayo Chiefs accidentally in Division 1.
Yeah.
And abantu bakhale kakhulu i-team. How was this journey ku D1? I know uba yi-fan ungayichiyi team ku D1 asonto easy kakhulu. How was that journey ku Division 1?
You know this journey, I've seen a lot of things. We've been to grounds that we thought were substandard and stuff. That's why we were saying it's an accident. But it was a learning curve for everyone. But at the end of the day, we knew the mission and we rallied behind the boys as per. So we're just glad to be back on top.
Kutshoni kuwe nje?
Into engayisho futhi asikuthi ezefeni kubuhlungu because i-team ayiphuma laphana ku-Premier League isa ku-Division 1. Silamanye ama-team laba bese bathi team yakho ubhuluza ngawo but njengoba sisasishilo ukuthi siyangena siyaphuma sesiphumile sesibuyela lapho vele sifunakala khona indawo yethu lana saphuma futhi ngoba sahlala sikhona ba sesilungisa ama-mistake sabona mistake yethu ngoba sebelungisisile coach sesiphakathi.
Asikhulumeni nge-team yona abafana e-ground le i-team i-core of players laba bakhona going back to the Premier League. Do you think a team needs to boost or sharp inje so going to the Premier League?
I think definitely we need to boost, but the core of the team, if you look at the quality that's there, it is a Premier League team. But we just need a couple more of additions just to be able to really compete. Because going back, we don't want to be hovering in mediocrity. We want to be there, ascertain ourselves and challenge as well. That's the ambition that we have as Chiefs.
Yes. Same to uko okunya nguphutas la ubona ntwa kwezinye indawo
khona ngeke ngithi kwezinye indawo i-team yona vele ngokwayo mayikhangela iplayer yakhona vele yabona nge-Premier League but siyabe sinidi ukuthi sibooste i-squad sethu senzela futhi ukuthi ngaba lama-injuries amaningi e-teamini sasikwazi ibhentshi lethu liqinile singabona i-depth lethu singalungisisa i-depth yethu vele saku-Premier League siyabe si-right kahle kahle.
What was your highlight in Division 1?
My highlights? I don't really have one per se. I enjoy like every moment, that I spent watching football, watching my beloved team. But obviously, the day when we confirmed promotion was the highlight. Because now my heart is settled and say, no, mission achieved.
Mission accomplished.
So today is just the icing on the cake.
Exactly.
Today is just the icing on the cake.
Nice one. Ude highlight nje.
Mina into engayisho ukuthi ngathi sibona vele seswini o-10 games lezana unbeaten ngase ngathi asesi-right nasesiphakathi akusela sizothi because laphana siyabe simaintainile ama-points ethu simaintaine ama-clean sheet ongangokuthi vele siyaqhubeka lapho esiyakhubeka khona but ngokutsheni sithi hhayi vele indawo yethu yena leya because i-first games lezana 10 games lezana sasijaya abantu khona ngosokutsheni sithi hhayi vele sesiphakathi thina.
Then kule SAS iwanke lenkayi bangani babambana waba namanye ama-SAS ukuthi kuthiwa usayithi njani azaye kuliphambanisa imorale ezifenzi.
Mina general vele akuzange ngiphambanisa because ngangikwazi okokuqala izifa ngeke zivume vele ukuthi nike umuntu i-license ukuthi edlale ethimini lana ngapha amanye ama-team njani engakwazi so izifa la yabikwazi ukuthi ayiplayer lasuka lapha kuhamba so that's why they to offer me i-license ukuthi edlale kungasikho khona okuveva ngeke imnike i-license ukuthi enjani edlale bamthetha aqala umuza ngenza njani sicela i-clearance ngale sikwenzele so kuzakwangethusa mina because ami ngiyakwazi ngibhora vele ngiyalandela kakhulu futhi so ngikwazi izifa la njani maybe in for it kompani ukuthi umfana bamnike i-license so
vele u-approved ukuthi isenjalo kumbulayo Chiefs. Lokho kwakhulunywa inkayi leyo ngaba sefuthi sabotage phela ubone ukuthi hayi njani. Hayi bengayenzi khona khona. Ukuthi kanjani bachiye emuva. Bengayenzi khona.
Is that the same feeling with you?
No, like for me, if you are doing something great, you are always going to have haters. So they're trying by all means to bring us down. So for me, I always believe in the administration of Chiefs. It's very brilliant. It's a stellar administration. They can't make such petty mistakes. So for me, I was just calm about the situation. So that's it. We just took it in stride, and
Then there are these halftime shows that are happening. I think now FEPG is the one performing. So ama halftime shows la sifuna ukubona yini sisiya phambili kulokhu zeni ku Premier.
Yeah, wona boost i-fan base yethu because by the time unibizile i-artist ukuthi izoperforma lapha ngabantu bengothi i-artist libe lapha ama-fans alo bengasoye Bulawayo Chiefs. Ama-fans azabe befuna ukuzobukela artist la then sebona ukuthi ayiboreni kunjani kumnandi sebefuna lapho kungabulawayo Chiefs sesingezele i-fan base yethu njalo njalo kusho ama-show la afunakala ebhizi ku-Premier League thina vele Bulawayo Chiefs ayilandele yaphutsha so ngoba sifuna abantu abaningi vele Bulawayo Chiefs ukuthi sibe baningi so ama-shows la ngezelelweni i-fan base yethu phutha siyabona.
I think enjoy these halftime shows.
Yes, definitely, because Chiefs were just trying to set the trend. So we were like a Super Bowl team. So every game is like a Super Bowl for us. Yeah. So that's the standard. That's Chiefs standard. Setting the pace.
Yeah. Thank you very much, guys.
All right.
Oh yeah, nice one. Sharp, my brother. Sharp. Manje just superstar yakuqeda kuperforma usadiniwe abantu bamnandi Febus keep on prom.
Hayi great kakhulu ukuhamba njani lapho.
Mnandi. Che besikhuluma nge-Chiefs. They've done wonders.
Yeah.
Basilethela ama halftime shows. Kutshoni kuwe like abantu baningi manje so as i-superstar yakubulawayo ule ngoma echisayo there's wonke umuntu ukukhangela. Kutshoni kuwe lokhu ku-platform eso.
This is quite an honor. I'm honored ukuthi ngibe lapha because we haven't had into ezifana lezi senzakala up until today whereby lami sengqoso yeBulawayo Chiefs sizoperforma kuma-halftime shows. I think it's quite a good platform for ama-artists akontuthu khonapho ukuthi sibe siphiwa isikhathi esifana sona lesi singene ebantwini abantu besibone. So it's an exchange of energies at the end of the day. I-team yenza kuhle lathi abaculi siba recognized under that wave siyabuya lathi senza kuhle out there ngama-brands siyaphushana. So I think it's quite a good opportunity for me ukuthi ngizithole ngiperforma lapha namhlanje eBulawayo Chiefs because if it keeps on happening I think it can increase i-network yama-artist confidence, stage presence and stuff because this is a different kind of setup. I've seen into ezifana lezi senzakala eSouth Africa so I'm happy because lakwelakithi lapha sesinakho.
Befuna ukuthi i-team ku-Division 1 going to the Premier League. Do you wish ukuthi these things continue in the Premier League as well? Uthole ukuthi maybe nqela ama-team njengabo Highland labo Chicken Inn they have this kind of platforms.
I think it's possible. It's necessary at the end of the day. I feel like it's necessary because I think music is a universal language. It brings people together. Lebora lalo is a universal sport. I understand it brings people together. So whereby abantu babuthene bebanengi sihlanganisa music and soccer into yakhona I think ifusion yakhona ingaba le impact eningi ithuthukise ama-arts as well as nama-sports.
Otherwise siyabonga as I'm happy ukuthi ngubone ulapha because ingoma yakho is banging everywhere, bra. It's banging everywhere, and we are doing quite well. As in this piece, what would you like to say to abantu maybe awuthi bengawazi abalandela i-channel yethu?
Thina njengabaculi eBulawayo Chiefs senzela kuhle guys lapha siyaperform namhlanje sihlangane labo abantu I'm sure kube kukhona online labangekho laba basemakhaya basibona so it's a quite good platform so I want to say thank you siyabonga kakhulu.
Bashaya ngama-1-2 ukuhamba bezwe ukuthi nguye umnikazi wemali yesigwezi.
Yeah, and of course vele ingoma le it came to life as a people's choice song. I was forced ukuthi ngenze follow up ngirecord professionally because it was already a public demand. So umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. I believe ukuthi as much as the community is appreciator, I'm here I'm also giving back to the community at the same time supporting iBulawayo Chiefs like in supporter. So sidlele matshwaleni thina ngoDisemba yamnandi mali yesigweja
hayi imali yesigwetha yamnandi imali yesigwetha ithini imali yesigwetha ya
Esana bra sharp fit sharp sharp lapha le ngamula yami umnikazi weKhaisa Audio Works, Khaisa Entertainment, Khaisa Way kuningi kakhulu Jero
Asikhiphani kuhamba natshela.
mina emnandi bro wami iChiefs besiyibona from division 1 wonke ama-home games ngo-master of ceremony abantu belokhu besizwa ivoice yakho abanye bebengakwazi uboneni wena ngejeni le-Chiefs lawe umsebenzi i-opportunity obuyiphiwa yiBulawayo Chiefs?
iBulawayo Chiefs isebenze kakhulu ukuthi kwanza ukuthi kuyele ku-Premier okuyinto enhle kakhulu njalo siyabonga kakhulu bana thina besinika umsebenzi ukuthi sibe lathi sibe sosebenza la ground ukuthi sithe manager i-sound for ama-games abo wonke, i-music, ama-announcements for MC and everything. Khaisa Audio Works kade isebenza kakhulu lapha kuyinto enhle kakhulu and kade siya celebrating ukubana i-Chiefs iya-excela isisiya ku-Premier next year. Hopefully sizabe kuyithi futhi sisebenza siku-Premier League khona ngale sibambile Khaisa Audio Works and Khaisa Events providing ama-LED screens, sound, ama-barricades. Umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu njalo siyabonga kakhulu and siyayihalalisela iBulawayo Chiefs ngomsebenzi omuhle ewenzileyo lo msebenzi omuhle kade sinikeza wona.
Nice one bro. And bengifuna ukubuza something iBulawayo Chiefs I think bobulawa yiyo yodwa ebingani ilama half time shows what kuyini amanye amalokuzeni ama-team the likes of Chicken Inn le island abangakukopa okuhle kuBulawayo Chiefs okungabisa umsebenzi ku-industry le esikiyo le?
Kuyinto enhle kakhulu ukuthi be-invente ama-half time shows okuyinto enhle kakhulu because i-entertainment uzakhanti they are also giving ama-entertainers umsebenzi. They are also giving us ama-events companies umsebenzi to come and plan. Ungananzelela le Piri Event Solutions namhla iyesebenzayo of which okutshenzelayo iyabiphiwa umsebenzi khona phana ama-opportunities amaningi kakhulu ngakuthi abo-Highlanders, abo-Chicken Inn, ama-home teams wonke la even amanye ama-teams aku-Division 1 bangakukopa khona okuyisitayile ukhayela i-national anthem abafana kade bengathwali inzima ukuthi behlabele i-national anthem. Khonokhu i-invent enye esilethwe yiBulawayo Chiefs enhle kakhulu eyenza ukuthi umdlalo wenguqu uyale uyi-entertainment ukhayela i-music ukhangele indlela istructure kuyabe kumiswe ngayo yonke into kuyinto enhle kakhulu kwenza umdlalo lo usuke phansi lapho khona uye phezulu ukhayela ama-announcements bekungathwalwa nzima throughout the game uyabuloku ufila entertained khathi singakhangela abo-FFG beperforma just ku-half time show abantu bonke babekholisa and also people get to see ama-artists not just ama-football players ama-artists awobulawayo athola layo opportunity ukuthi bezobonakala because iBulawayo Chiefs ingalethi ama-artists aziwayo kuphela baningi kakhulu ama-artists amanye akade kuyezoperforma ungakhangela kulo mjido okade Chayo Maskandi la ibizo lakhe selimbalekele okade Chayo Maskandi umjidana umuntu esingamaziyo but sesikwazi ukuthi le music yakhe emnanda la uyathola ukuthi ethola i-mileage through ama-supporters abebuyile khona ungathola ukuthi kube lama-supporters 1000 plus abebuyile khona be-Chiefs Village ezobukela during the halftime show. We enjoy music lana and we get to know ama-entertainers awethu awekhaya not ama-entertainers ayaziwayo kuphela hayi but lamanye ama-entertainers angayaziwayo siyathola i-opportunity ukuthi sihlangane lawo mix and mingle and also abantu aba-provider ama-systems uzathola ama-companies amanye angayaziwayo they get the opportunity ukuthi bekwanisa ukuthi beye ema-ground befaka ama-system abo they get i-clientele and also bayenza ukuthi umdlalo wenguqu ube mnandi nge-music la singakuboneli kwamanye amazwe sikubonele khona apha even lakithi ama-grounds wona la akhona khona apha even ungakhala abo-White City singakhaleli abo-BF ama-grounds amakhulu sikhala abo-White City Stadium abo-Luveve lakhona apha ezikwakweni ukuyenza ukuthi abantu besuke kuma-drugs futhi the other day.
Sesivara Jero ngiyakwazi iKhaisa Audio Works ikhampani enkulu iKhaisa Events ikhampani maybe uthola ukuthi abanye abantu abangayaziyo wena ungayithengisa kanjani iKhaisa ebantwini abaku-channel abangayazi iKhaisa?
All right, Akula Africa in Sounds and Arts is the brand and also brand lay Akula Africa in Sounds and Arts is a company that umbrellas iKhaisa Events, iKhaisa Audio Works, iKhaisa Way of which iKhaisa Way isabuya nje ibuya ngaseceleni but i-major is Khaisa Entertainment. We have entertainers, dancers, musicians. We are under Khaisa Entertainment and also we have
iKaiser AudioWorks, of which Kaiser AudioWorks have worked labo FabG, most of ama-entertainers amaningi asemakhulu lakhulayo iKaiser AudioWorks isebenze lawo. Siyatholakala emchadweni, siyatholakala emaphathini, siyatholakala ema-stadium, anywhere, for lighting gear, for sound system, for barricades, for a stage. We are there for you. For planning events, Kaiser Events is there for you. Don't hesitate. Just dial our number or get in touch with Step 3.
Nice one, my brother. That was Derek Umnikazi we Kaiser. This is the CEO, by the way. We Kaiser umbrella. Lizwile man. Konke kona kana ukukhulumile. Yiko sathatha number yakhe abamfuna sathatha number ngoba njengoba ekhulumile iBulawayo Chiefs iqhatshe abantu abasebenza imisebenzi eminingi babeze amathuba omsebenzi. Singeke sonke sikwanise ukuthi siyenze imisebenzi yonke unless siphiwe amathuba amanje. So siyabonga Dero. Sharp, my brother.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much for the opportunity. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Step 3 Events, Step 3 TV. Ayoba.
Nice one, my brother.
As defense, we always know who should play. Always know. Ladies and gentlemen, led by number 14, Sidney Mozeka. 15. Courage, Tanya Mapema. Brian Sharaza. Ray Luna. Blessing Macbeth. That one is Macbeth. Ubumala pela in case. Farao Matare. Louis Nimazi. Arthur Diego Msiwa. Diego. Senior is David, our commentator, I would like to say. Godfrey Kotela Makarusi. Malvin Nkolo. Brian Gift Rusinga, aka Spampa. Matripons Nero, goalkeeper. Brian Tamulo Ngwena. Mbongeni Mineji. Panashe Shoko, Zbusiso Ernest Mambo, Jimu Godfrey Junior Kwara, Crispin Machisi, Kim Sivanda, Polite Mwenda, Kumira Nyamtena, Gabriel Godfrey, Shemsen Tatenda Ushe, Shelton Siamlon, Kulegani Dure, Tinotenda, Chinoviringa. Usipesa ngibale mdala usipesa. Usipesa mapembe. Memba yetu hapa. Ulenga usipesa na number 2 alpha. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, with his wealth of experience, you can call him stability, you can call him skipper. I don't know what nickname you give him. This one is the captain, Calvin Matsongo, ladies and gentlemen. We have got some of our players. Who
Nah, mangarum boleh apa? Apa virus kasih? Apa virus kasih?
Finally, guys, we are champions. I've got two captain, Kevin Nomkoro. Afam Chija. Because Kevin Afam. Shabo Butas Pabas. Okay, fresh finally, Machija.
So good on about to be sit out. I try to say a penny that was a dad. But finally, so good on that. So good on. And I'm very happy about the effort about Kita throughout the season. Some problems in even training, even if it's a games, even good a setback, some we train. Konokiana kusinedile towards the end of the year because acha wota mari zasetbele in second round the messenger flow flow asambe away said draw kulobela ma setbacks but amagense be ground si train ko sina bese kwasilo kuvele marathon lokhu boss yabo ke ku marathon so esikaneze umuntu sakagijima efike phambili but oqathele ukuthi ugcina njani Nkolo bese le jayele iloni ndiku premier manje sesibona ama game abebule dance kulamadonki bijani ijele la
Butasi bekunzima Butasi but ame ukuthi amachija akwanisile ukuadjusta because kwathi ukhona abantu ade singayenza ukuswitch but ame ukuthi amachange akwanisa ukuadjusta samanage ukuthi njani sifight singamachanges the team and I'm very happy ukuthi wonke umuntu ebefaka 150% training besupportana longela ama divisions everyone was happy for ukuthi umodlalayo longela ukukhethana wathi bese one family I think uNkulunkulu la uyancedisa lawo njani abathandanayo when there is one love bonke kuyahamba so I'm very happy I want to thank coach what he has done for us as a team. I'm very happy
going forward because Premier League now. Hey, are you ready?
Yeah, we are ready. It's going to be a challenging league, like we have seen with the Abidjan this year. So that is prepared as our players. We knew from day one with the Premier League. That's why even you can see squad the way it was assembled. The caliber of players. When that's about the Premier League. So in terms of preparation, the experience, so we just have to go and fight.
Lobuzo one machine. Kule messages ezenziwa inkayi le wange awuzange uliphambanise ine camp
lokho ngamdala yakwazi nani thina we been there table nalo enough because Nkolo is a senior Ozaki is another senior singama captains so kan so sometimes the boys ezincane kuyafika ukuthi uyabe secanga ukuthi uhlala kubuzwana but thina we know nxa sokunjalo selivula abantu they always try to bring up izinto and try to distract you so thina vele the core group even from ku CEO ngangale the message was the same lina just send libhora leli ichiye lokho kebe kubhaliwe ngale bona as administration bazagcina lapho so thina vele akuzange kufike ngapho ukuthi kusiyabheke bona because bebeheni because abesikwazi social media yethu abathathela ama point besenza nayo uyathola live training you can't concentrate seriously in the game so thina vele njengama senior vele we always trying to put across message ama-agents shana ndabo thina sikho kwethu lokho thina kwethu leswina ama-games ethu uzabonakala phambili
same with you
same okay yes
otherwise Machida congratulations let's hope coming to the Premier Soccer the team yabibambele injalo any message to ama supporters because ama supporters aphandle abelibukela aphandle kwelizwe abelisupporter bekhatshana any message final messages
sithanda ukuthi sibabonge bonke ade besupporta kunzima kuhle siyabonga kakhulu ngelove elishengisele yona if belingekho bengasezikwanisa ukuthi siwine lingekho but lina libe lathi kunzima and you pushed us siyabonga kakhulu
Yes, umkhulu ekhulumile. Hayi sibonga kakhulu. Sengathi bangaqhubeka sibe baningi support iBlood Chiefs, ibrand esikhula na next year abantu ababuye numbers sibonga abakhatshana tibukela online. They now know team siyazakala. So hayi lathi sisebenza kanzima.
Blood Chiefs is a family brand. Everyone, as long as you are part of the Ninjas, you are part of the family. Masi siwa sonke masivuka sonke. So next day siyabacela ngokunengi. Benzima labo bhuti ngale bathi siyabacela ngokunengi. Ama-away games they were there. Sesikwakweni kibo follows they were there. So next year nxa sokukuhle ngababuye futhi.
Nice one Machida. Nice one Machida. Nice one. Sharp Machida. Sharp. Don't be very. Jengo banazo vipi kere? Joby
Mtara. Oda mtara.
Sasa representa Machida kunani yabona bametani.
Ndoda kusethenziwe ndoda ungadlali ngokuthi from January to December kube kunzima mdala bekunzima. So mase sitholile ama medal lawa inhliziyo kathesi sesilala kathesi uzilalele kuhle mdala asi happy mdala asi
Yena sesingahlaliseke. Hayi. Angazi thina ngoba excited and forever grateful. Ngamnyaka lo ubunzima but ekugcineni umnandi.
But aso medali ejabule ukuqala experience wobukeri
third time uNkulunkulu umbonile ka 3 goal. Hayi
but le message ameninika yona le abe ngiyokugcina Machida ku Division 1 asamese ethatha ePremier League.
Livari mami nasecompete le Premier Sender le Division 1 Sender sekuphinda
but it's true aku Premier League mina ngiyifuna isilver win. I think he next one stop here. I need to get silver in Premier League.
Nice one Machida. Let's go and celebrate. Go and celebrate. Sharp Machida. Saro siyasaqoqa mbijana kare su20 medal Broma wabonise.
Now I'm very happy because ngivotele kuba support of the year kuBlood Chiefs. I-effort engiyifakileyo ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi bayibonile. I'm very happy for Blood Chiefs, happy for myself, labanye ama-fans and supporter layo. I'm very happy.
Nice one Sabo Saro. Any message to abanye ama-supporter abangasupporti Blood Chiefs ababe kubukeni?
Guys, if uhamba ne-team hamba nayo ebuzimeni lasebunandini akutshintshi siyabonga.
Nice one Saro.
Thank you.
Sharp. Sharp, my brother. Keep on.
I'm fine. I'm
very happy.
Yeah, as a young player in the team, I'm very, very excited, sir. I'm a Shona from Chinhoyi.
Yeah.
Can I pass a message to people in Chinhoyi?
Yeah.
So, Dautenda, Daramatare, Mkumba, Jombit, Jonathan Kawode, Branai. Thank you guys so much for growing me. Today, it's my first time having a major trophy like this.
A nice one.
Like when I was in Chicken, I scored in the Independence Cup, but this is something written on the CV. So I'm very grateful too. Anyways, the second one, but I love you guys. Here I'm called Chinhoyi in Blawayo because of you guys. I love you guys so much. Sending so much love to my beloved mother, Janet Mtina, my uncle, Nathan Christopher, Elaine, Mabutiza, guys. I love you guys so much.
Nice one, Chinhoyi. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Nice one, my brother.